You both have one?
Going on this one bait.
Fight them away from each other. Fight them away from each other. Oh man.
Welcome to Kids Outdoors. Slade from Kids Outdoors. We're at Little Stansfield Lake again because the last few lakes that we've went to, besides the last fishing trip we took, were garbage because we didn't catch anything. And well, after some big pike, the lake is steaming. Looks really pretty. We're gonna head out. I think I'm gonna start with the spinnerbait. Okay, we're gonna take off a little crayfish that has a snap. So easy. All you have to do is pop it out of that hole. Put it up, and then this spot is the wrong spot because this is where you put the lure. I'm gonna put that one on and snap that back, and then put this guy in.
Say what?
And then we gotta pop. Gotta hop that.
Here's the
this.
that one.
And we gotta put this on. Gotta close it. There we go.
The front,
string.
Out of that front pocket.
Little spinnerbait. Spinnerbait. Okay, Dad.
Slade, were you wanting to try the swim bait?
Yeah.
Let's put your two tape lures on and off. Just put them in here, okay?
So that's gonna be in my boat?
Yeah, and that
Cool.
Because your holes are big enough to lose lures. Alright?
I get my own little tackle box. Whoa, it's actually pretty deep here. Oh, got one. Woohoo. That's a huge pike.
Slade, that was a beast. Why are you letting everything go away?
I don't know, that was a monster. Oh, huge swirls over there.
Yep, hit it. It's right by weed. Hey, I'll give him 2 minutes.
Looks like wherever there's a little chunk of weeds, there's fish. Try minnows. Got one.
Got one?
Yep, on the swim bait. Whoa, got one.
You both have one?
Got one on the swim bait.
Fight them away from each other. Fight them away from each other. Oh man. Keep them away.
I think mine's a bass.
Keep them away from each other.
Wait, what do I have? Is it? It's a bass. I got a bass.
Hey, that's not a bad one. What do you got?
You still got another bass.
You both got bass?
Yeah.
You caught a bass on the swim bait?
It's bigger than my bass.
Guys, that is so cool. You guys doubled.
You both casted at the same time.
I was like, hey, something's eating minnows over there. You're like, got one. Oh, ooh, look at the belly on that one, Slade. You got
wow. The size of this lure.
Is that a smallmouth?
No.
Or is it largy?
Yeah. Mine's got an owie on its tail.
Yeah, there's a lot of teethy fish in here.
Swim bait. Like the second cast. Look at the size of this one. Look at that huge.
Was that your first cast or second cast?
Second.
Man.
Give it.
Hey, the little bluegill strikes again. That rebel bluegill has just been killing it this year. Here you go, bud.
Just gotta unhook one hook.
Don't lose them.
But it's hooked in both things, so, and the other ones are really not good.
Like you're gonna need the tool?
Boy, I think I'm just gonna scratch my thumb up so I can have some bass thumb.
Yeah, just, hey, that's cheating. Catch a bunch of bass. That's how you get bass done.
Look at that bass thumb.
Cheater.
Oh man. Dad, look at that.
Yeah.
Boy, he's
Sounds like you got to pass that to Slade when they're done. Hold that bad boy up.
Okay, now I need to put bye-bye bass. You want to go home? Go home.
Go for it.
Woo-hoo. Oh! I got one! And it is, Dad, look what. This is a crappie.
Wow. That's a decent crappie.
Woohoo! So,
Here, try to launch it and see.
just caught a crappie
On a spoon.
on a spoon.
On a decent size one.
Boom! Just kind of did a crappie. Should I let it go, Dad?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Alright, there you go.
We're in a really weird direction, but I think I'm toning to where I want to be. Oh, I got one!
Another one? Is it another crappie?
I don't know. I think it's a bass. Yep, it's a bass. Which bass are fun? Just tiring him out.
Wow, it is fighting pretty good for a little guy.
Don't break off, please, like my other ones do. Hey.
I didn't see, so I just got a little blue.
Ah, dude. What are you doing? Ah, dude. Come on. Oh, man.
I love how we're just doing a big.
Woohoo!
See, get him unhooked?
I got it. Yeah, it's not. It's only hooked once.
I can't get it. This is so funny. I give up. Hopefully you can get him by yourself.
Ta-da!
Slade!
Yeah.
This is the worst part about being tied together, guys. Is I can't get
Okay, Dad.
I can't get to the stuff I need to get to. When we're tied together.
Dad,
You guys need to stop being lazy.
I'm back here, Dad. Oh, he got me with this.
Let me get a picture.
Ah!
So I got to take the leaf front out of here. Go home, best.
Ooh, with a head
Show everybody what you're using. What'd you catch that fish on?
Caught it
That's
on a little,
spoon from Cabela's. Cabela's brand spoon.
really nice. It's caught me a fish.
Crappie and
I
a
haven't really, oh yeah, a crappie and a bass.
crappie and a bass, and we're pike fishing, so
It's
it's
not,
working good.
it's not really what we want, but we'll take it.
Hey, bass are fun, right? All right, Tristan, keep that bluegill moving. Let's get another one on that thing.
Whoa, got one.
For real?
Yeah,
Still got him?
yeah.
Yeah, I was just saying. We need another one.
It's a bluegill.
Are you kidding me?
My side hooked it.
No, you got him in the mouth, too.
Yeah.
Wow. They're eating their own. The Rebel pumpkin seed lure has captured a bluegill.
It's a little shell crusher.
All right, get him unhooked.
Okay, buddy.
I think I just got my arm in the lake, because that's awesome.
Everything is awesome.
You're right. Everything is awesome.
Cannibalism. Bluegill eating bluegill.
I love it.
Oh man,
I had
look at my
bites.
bass stuff.
Do you purposely do that?
Yes, he did.
He purposely rubbed his thumb on the teeth of that bass. I could get bluegill thumb. That bluegill had such sharp teeth.
That's a decent bass. That's a pretty good one. On the spinnerbait. Got him. Spinnerbaits. These are from Cabela's brand, I believe. They catch fish. You don't have to spend a ton of money. Not that there's anything wrong if you've got it, but these are like what were they at Cabela's? Like, yeah, $1.40 something. $1.50-ish for these spinner baits, we got tons of them, and they catch pike, they catch bass, we've got bluegills, it's crazy what'll eat. Bowfin. Yeah, it's wild what will eat a spinner bait. Let this guy go. See you, buddy.
Whoa, this one's the coolest pike I've ever seen. Its eye is missing.
Seriously?
No, its eye is gray.
So it's blind in one eye?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Ta-da!
Nice, buddy. Let me get a shot of that. Oh, got him. Now.
Woohoo! Dad, look.
Stop!
Wow, that is a nice one. You gotta get your bass stump. Oh, he's just gonna lift it in? I guess that's why we use 30-pound line.
Fat.
Deer?
Buddy. Go home somewhere wherever that is.
How fun was that?
Really? Get into my boat, yo.
Tristin, you're killing it. Awesome, buddy. All right, do the release. They are fast. All right, let's get some more. Awesome.
Wow, this is a huge hole.
We're going reverse. Hurry, so I can get back to paddling, and we're gonna be all the way back there. All my hard work gone. All right, Dad's gotta get back to boating. It is windy, and we gotta make it all the way out there.
That was a basserific fishing trip.
That was the most bass I ever caught on one trip in my life.
And Dad did make it back to the shore. See you later. Bye.
Thanks for watching this episode.
Make sure to smash the like button.
And subscribe.
To support the kids, go to our website. The link is in the description below, and pick up some sweet Kids Outdoors swag. And together,
We'll pass on the passion.
Thank you.